In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dependencies in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to mark tasks as waiting on others, blocking others, or simply linked, so your timeline and workload stay accurate. Starting ClickUp by heading to your workspace overview. From the overview area of your team space, open the project you're working on, then open the task that needs a dependency. In the task window, look for the three dots, sometimes called the More Actions or Ellipsis menu. Click that to reveal additional options. From the menu, select Dependencies. This opens the panel where you define how tasks relate to each other. Dependencies help clarify what must happen first, what's holding something up, and what's just related. They are extremely useful for Gantt charts, workload views, and for avoiding unexpected blockers. Choose Waiting On when the current task can't start or finish until another task is done. Click Waiting On, then click Add Waiting On Task. Use the search field to find the task by name, or paste a task link if you have it. When added, ClickUp will label your task as waiting on the other, making it clear to everyone that progress depends on that prerequisite. This is ideal for handoffs, approvals, or upstream deliverables. If your task is the one causing the delay for another, use blocking. Click Blocking, then click Add Task that is blocked. Select the task that's being held up. This will show that your current task is blocking progress elsewhere. It's a useful signal for prioritization. When a task is blocking others, it often needs attention to unblock the team. For relationships that don't affect sequencing, choose Linked. Click Linked, then click Add Linked Task. This creates a simple association without enforcing an order. Linked tasks are great for reference items, related documentation, or parallel work streams that should be viewed together but don't depend on one another. As you set these up, keep a few tips in mind. Make sure you have permission to edit the task and dependencies in this space. Use clear task names so search is fast and accurate. If your team relies on timelines, agree on whether dependent dates should auto-adjust. ClickUp offers settings for schedule behavior that your workspace admin may configure. Also, consider adding watchers or leaving a short comment after you create a critical dependency, so stakeholders know what changed and why. Your changes in the dependencies panel save automatically, and you'll see badges like Waiting On or Blocked By directly in the task. That's it. You've added waiting on, blocking, and linked relationships in ClickUp, giving your team a reliable picture of what needs to happen, what's in the way, and what's simply connected.